इस कार्यक्रम को रोककर हम आपके लिए लाए हैं
ओ मैं क्या मुंडे ते कुड़ियों किवे हो तुसी I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Akshay or you can just call me Akki.
Welcome back humans. Sabshiki this side or just call me Sab. Like I always says, I'm having an amazing day. I hope you all are having an amazing day too.
तो यार घर पे खाली बैठे बैठे मैंने देखी एक सनसनी न्यूज़।
क्या वो अफगानिस्तान और तालिबान वाली कह रहे हैं क्या?
अरे नहीं यार, अब बिग बॉस OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पर भी लाइव आया करेगा और उसे होस्ट करने वाले हैं अपने करण भाई बहन।
मतलब कई बंदे ऐसे होते हैं ना जो कंट्रोवर्सी से दूर ही नहीं रह सकते। जब तक ट्विटर पे जनता इनके पीछे कैसे लाल टमाटर जैसे ना कर दे, इन्हें चैन ही नहीं आता। We want to up our game a little, so you'll see a lot more anime reviews further in our videos. It's gonna be a lot more fun sharing our experience and our views on those.
तो आज हम लोग एक शोनन एनिमे सीरीज का रिव्यू करने वाले हैं। So शोनन एनिमेज are basically meant for teenage and younger audience as they are packed with a lot of excitement, action, fighting sequences and a lot of things that are generally praised by teenagers.
One good example of shonen anime is Dragon Ball Z. और यार ये तो हर किसी ने देखा है यार। अगर ये भी नहीं देखा ना तो भाई हम तुम्हें देना चाहेंगे So you know what time it is, it's review time. And today we'll review Jujutsu Kaisen. Fruit beer पीकर सर घूमने का नाटक करना बंद करो. And now let's start this review. Jujutsu Kaisen पर यार ऑलरेडी काफी वीडियोस बन चुकी है. But most of them are about how similar this anime is with Naruto. कई लोगों ने ये नाम अपने बचपन में सुना होगा बट नाउ दे डोंट हैव एनी ग्लिम्स ऑफ व्हाट वाज इट ऑल अबाउट. Long story short, Naruto is considered as a king of anime in anime community because of his hell of a huge fan base. For an example, Naruto की fan base उतनी ही loyal and consistent है जितनी की BTS army BTS को लेकर है.
But here's the deal guys, whether you're watching shonen, rom-com, sci-fi or any other genres, if you'll watch any anime by comparing it with others, then you'll surely miss or lose the beautiful essence of that particular anime. Moving on to the plot of this anime, so our lead character Itadori Yuji was raised by his grandfather, जिनका रोल स्टार्टिंग में सिर्फ 1 या 2 मिनट का ही है. और यार ये स्पॉइलर नहीं है, तुम्हें पहले एपिसोड के अंदर ये सब easily visible होगा. One regular day, a sorcerer Megumi Fushiguro shows up to capture a certain cursed object. And in certain circumstances, Itadori Yuji consumes that cursed object and becomes the host of a cursed spirit, Sakuna.
But even after consuming it, he holds full control over his body. As a result, he was proposed an offer by this badass character Satoru Gojo to join the Jujutsu Sorcerer organization and consume all the remaining fingers. And what was the reason for that? That you have to know it by yourself, as I can't give you any spoiler guys.
If we talk about the comedy aspect, then this anime is still funnier than a lot of shonen animes in today's scenario. Simply because that's how all the characters in this anime were designed to begin with. जिससे it becomes a lot easier for it to be fun without even forcing it to be. और यार अगर मैं इस एनिमे के एक्शन एस्पेक्ट की बात करूँ तो दिस एनिमे इज फिल्ड विद classy action sequences where needed and you'll enjoy them time to time.
The visuals of the animation done by Studio Mappa is damn. Like I can't even explain it in words. You'll get what I'm saying जब आप इस एनिमे को first hand experience करोगे. And दोबारा बता दूं, don't spoil the magic it holds by comparing it with other animes. I know ध्यान जाता है but try करना. तो यार इस रिव्यू के लिए बस इतना ही. We'll be back with another video. Till then, if you like this video, then leave a like, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon ताकि तुम्हें सही जगह सही वक्त ऐसे ही entertaining reviews मिलते रहे.
So guys, stay tuned with this channel. We'll see you in our next review. Till then, this is Saptanaki and we are your
best friend.